Hey, what's up, my friends? Today we're going to look at support and resistance in trading. So, support and resistance are key areas in the market that you want to pay attention to. They work really well in a consolidation type of market or range bound market. You can use support and resistance to make trades. So, for example, if a price comes down to a known support level, you can take a trade expecting that support to hold. Or you can take the opposite trade and take a breakout trade expecting that support to break down. And the same for resistance. When it comes up to a resistance level, price comes up to a resistance level, you can take a trade expecting that resistance to hold, or you could take a breakout trade expecting that resistance to fail. Okay, first up is support. So when you find a support area, basically the market's going to come down and it's going to find support and continue higher. Okay, so once you see that happen a couple times, you can draw in your area of support. And then if the market were to come back down there, the price were to come back down, you could make the assumption that it might continue higher from there. Okay, it's no guarantee, but it might happen. So what you want to do is you want to look for a higher time frame to mark out these areas on your chart. Okay, now we look at our resistance example. We can see here that the price came up, and once it reached this level, it sort of went back down. So it sort of rejected, acted as resistance. Okay, so same thing. We want to draw a rectangle in there to show our zone. Okay, it's just a zone where the price could possibly reverse or it could possibly break out to the upside. Okay, and sometimes once you break through that resistance level, it can then become support. So if the price goes through that level, then can come back down to it, there's a possibility that it will become support and it can continue higher from there, or lower in the bear case. Okay, and as you can see, after a few tries, it's broken through that resistance level and sort of broken out to the upside. Drawing these zones is kind of how you see the market. So everyone sees it a little differently. So someone may draw their resistance or support zone a little different than the way that I may draw it. That's what makes trading so interesting. All right. Thanks for watching. Well, we'll see you next time.